Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic we will discuss today it is the uses of the hydrocarbons, where we can use the different hydrocarbons. So, when we have a simple hydrocarbon, there are mainly three classes. The first one we have alkanes, the second one we have alkenes, and the third one we have alkynes. So, when we talk about alkanes here, the two atoms just have a single bond. When we talk about the alkenes, here the two carbon atoms have double bond between them. And when we talk about the alkynes, the two carbon atoms have triple bond between them. So this is the simple hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons contain both carbon and hydrogen in them. So here we will learn about its uses. Hydrocarbons may be used as the simple fuel. They can be also used in the different industries as a feedstock. On the other hand, it can be also used for the production of the different products like it is used in petrochemical industries, it is used in the plastic industries, it is can be used in the rubber industries and so on etc. So let's start its first one use. When we talk about the simple alkanes or hydrocarbons, the main constitute of fuel which is containing coal, petroleum, or the natural gas. All these are mainly hydrocarbons. And when hydrocarbons are just burned in air, the reaction is known as the combustion. And this reaction is highly exothermic. Exo means the reaction in which the heat or the simple energy is released. That reaction is known as the exothermic reaction, and it produces a lot of heat that we can use it for different purposes. Let's have a simple reaction for the combustion. Here we have the methane. This is also known as the natural gas. When it burns in the excess of the oxygen, so the product we gain it is the production of the carbon dioxide. CO2 it is known as the carbon dioxide along with the production of the water and the heat is evolved. So that's why this is the simple exothermic reaction. Exo mean the release or the exit and therm mean heat. So it is an exothermic reaction. So in this we just have hydrocarbons may be used as the simple fuel for the different processes. Then its second use we have hydrocarbons are also used as the feedstock in industries. So the hydrocarbons are not only used as fuel, but they can also be used as a raw material. They are used as the raw material for different products in the industries. As well as when we talk about its use as a fuel, so this is also used in the automobiles and also used in the industries. Along with it is used as a raw material. Raw material means the starting material for the production of the different substances. So all the industrial work just happen to the due to the feedstock. Feedstock mean the starting material or the raw material that we use for the production of the different substances. So this is its simple second use. After that we have its next uses that hydrocarbons, how we can use it as a feedstock. The first one we have petrochemical industry. So this is the petrochemical industry. And how it works in the petrochemical industry, mainly all the organic compounds are simple prepared from the hydrocarbons like petroleum, prepare natural gas. These two products are mainly known as the petrochemicals, and we also prepare other important chemicals from the petrochemicals. We prepare the simple ethyl methyl alcohols. You can also prepare the formic acid. So all that production just happened in the petrochemical industries. Then the second industry, which is known as the plastic industries. So hydrocarbons are also used as a raw material for the preparation of the large variety of the synthetic polymers. These polymers are known as the synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers means that are prepared in the laboratory or in the industries. So that's why it is used in the production of the different plastics. So here you can see this picture with the plastic bottles. These are basically the polymers, or these are also known as the polyesters. So they can be given of any shape when they are soft. So we are talking about the polymers or the polyesters. And after some time, they just started to be hardened and they are now durable products that we have prepared it by the use of the raw material of the organic compounds or the hydrocarbons. We can also make the different crockery products. We can make the glasses, we can make the jugs. So all the products that are made up of plastic we can use in our daily life, or for the domestic purpose they are prepared by the use of the different hydrocarbons. Then it is used in the rubber industries. So all the tires that are used in the automobiles, they are mainly prepared by the use of the butadiene rubber. So the rubber we used, its name is butadiene rubber. It is also used for the production of the many footwears, toys that are of good quality. So this is the third one, industrial use of the hydrocarbons. After that we have the synthetic fiber industry. So all the fabric that is produced in the different industries. Before that, the fiber that is prepared, and the type of fibers we have nylon, we have rayon, we have polyester. All these fibers are produced by the use of the different organic compounds, and these organic compounds are mainly known as the hydrocarbons. And last one, it is used in the production of the synthetic detergents. So here all the synthetic detergents like washing powder along with the different soaps that work for the washing purpose, they all are mainly produced by the use of the long chain of the hydrocarbons, and after their production they are used at domestic level and at industrial level. So the detergents have the better and the stronger cleaning properties as compared to the soaps. They can also work even in the presence of the hard water. So that's why they are more important and they can be prepared by the use of the hydrocarbons. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section. The next topic we will discuss, it is the simple introduction to the biochemistry. So for that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.